Hello aspirants, welcome to CSIR NET General Aptitude series. Question number 1. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. All booklets are manuals. So all booklets are manuals. Statement 2. All manuals are catalogs. If statement 1 and 2 are true, which one of the following conclusions can be conclusively drawn? All manuals are booklet. It's wrong. All catalogs are booklet. This is also wrong. All booklets are catalog. So option 3 is correct. All booklets are manuals. So this is also wrong. So here option number 3 is correct. Next question. The given Venn diagram shows number of players playing one or more than one sport. The percentage of players who play exactly two sports is equal to. Let's first calculate total number of players. That will be 18 plus 7 plus 24 plus 11 plus 4 plus 8 plus 20. This comes out to be 92. And the number of players who play exactly two sports is 7 plus 11 plus 8, which is 26 upon 92. In percentage, it is 28.26%. So here option 3 is correct. Next question. The value of a company is measured as the total value of its shares owned by different investors. Rakesh owns 2/3 of the shares of a company. He sells 1/3 of his share for 75,000. What is the total value of the company at that time? So it is 1/3 of 2/15 of total shares, and that is equal to 75,000. So total shares will be 75,000 into 3 into 15 divided by 2, and that comes out to be 1687,500. So here option 2 is correct. Next question. A car has wheels of diameter 36 cm. If it runs at a speed of 60 km per hour, then rotation per minute will be closest to. Now in one rotation, that will cover a total distance equal to circumference, and that will be equal to 2 pi r, which is 2d. So that will be 36 into pi centimeter, and speed is 60 km per hour. We want our answer in rotation per minute. So this can be written as 60 into 10 to the power 3 meter divided by 60. So this will be meter per minute, but let's convert it to centimeter. So multiply by 10 raised to 2. So this will be centimeter per minute. Now this RPM, rotations per minute, will be speed by distance, which is, this will be 10 to the power 5 divided by 36 into pi, and this comes out to be 884.07. So option A is correct. Next question. A cylindrical container of radius 20 cm was filled with water up to 25 cm height. A solid spherical ball of radius 7 cm was then immersed in the water. What would be the approximate increase in water level in the container after the ball was fully immersed? So the volume of that ball will be equal to increase in volume. So delta V will be equal to 4/3 pi r1 cube, and that will also be equal to increase in volume, which is pi r square delta H. We want to find out delta H. So delta H will be 4/3 pi r1 cube upon pi r square. So this is 4/3 into 7's cube upon 20 square. Both are in centimeter, and this is equal to 1.14 centimeter. So option A is correct. Next question. The market share and annual production of scooters from 5 automobile companies P, Q, R, S and T are shown in graphs. If the profit of a company is directly proportional to the ratio of market share to production, then which of the following statements is or are correct? So first we have to calculate profit for each case. For P it will be 17 by 80, which is 0.2125. For Q it is 25 by 120, which is 0.2083. For R it is 24 by 110, which is 0.2181. For S it will be 14 by 80, 0.175. And for T it is 20 by 100, which is 0.2. So first, companies T and P have same profit. No, they don't. So X is wrong. Company R has the maximum profit. That's correct. Company S has the minimum profit. That is also correct. So Y and Z are correct. So option 3 is correct here. Next question. Rahul and his father started jogging on a circular track of radius R. Rahul completed one round and stopped. His father got tired halfway into the first round and returned to his starting point along a straight line. What is the ratio of distances covered by Rahul and his father? So for Rahul, this is the case, and for his father, this is the case. So distance will be 2 pi r upon, this is half of circumference, which is pi r, and this distance is 2r. So this will be 2 pi upon pi plus 2. So option 2 is correct. Next question. Kavita starts from her house and walks 200 meters northward. So towards north 200. Then turns 45-degree right and walks 70 meters. So in this direction 70 meters. This is 45-degree. After that she turns 90-degree right and walks 70 meters. So this angle is 90, so right angle, and again 70. Which of the following is the closest value of the shortest distance between Kavita's current location and her house? So we want to find out this distance. So this is 70, this is 70. That means this distance, it will be 70 root 2. And we want to find out hypotenuse. So that distance x will be under root 200 square plus 70 root 2 square. You can just use calculator, and this comes out to be 223.159. So here option 4 is correct. Next question. The initial monthly salaries of employees John, Ria and Sunil were in the proportion 4:3:5. After an increase of 10,000 monthly to all, the new proportion becomes 6:5:7. What was the initial salary of Sunil? So initially, let us take some x as parameter. So 4x plus 3x plus 5x is equal to some amount. That means 12x is equal to 1. After increasing the salary, the ratio becomes 6:5:7. So 6x plus 5x plus 7x, and there is increase of 10,000 for each person. So total increase of 30,000. That means this is 18x is equal to y plus 30,000. That means 6x is equal to 30,000. Solving equation 1 and 2. That means x is equal to 5,000. So Sunil's salary will be 5x, which is 5,000 into 5, that is 25,000. So option 2 is correct. Next question. Numbers of rose, lettuce and marigold plants in a garden are in the proportion 8:5:7. Let us 75%, 40% and 50% more plants of their respective categories were added. What will be the new proportion of the plants in the same order? So initially we have 8 plus 75% of 8. So 8 into 75 by 100 plus is 2, sorry. This is the first case, is 2. Next is 5 plus 5 into 40% of 5. is to 7 plus 7, it's 50%. So this will be equal to 8 plus, this is 3 by 4 and that will be 6. 8 plus 6 here is to, this will be 22. So 5 plus 2 is 7 is to 7 plus 3.5. So this is 14 is to 7 is to 10.5. Let's divide by 7 throughout. So this is 2 is to 1 is to 1.5. We can multiply by 2. So this will be 4 is to 2 is to 3. So here option 2 is correct. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Keep learning.